you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really keep me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one or two times. Got tired of you.
Hey, so we are out it's Thursday morning and we're here for some breakfast. Yeah. I'm not seeing coffee. I'm not seeing coffee. Do you want tea and not Joko or whatever? Tea that I don't know. Let me show you guys. Hey, at least I see rooibos.
That's why you didn't got left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the golden rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life.
So we are at Atlantis Dunes for bike riding. We early, so we have to wait. It's a bit windy, so that's why we're standing in the sun. Sun is nice. So yeah, we gonna do this. It's my first time. Never done bike riding before, and I don't know how to ride a bike, even a bicycle. So I don't know how this one's gonna go, bro. And this is the ghetto actually. So far, like it's so far, it's so ghetto. How far it is. It's very far. People don't tell you guys, me I'm gonna tell you, this place is far. It's very far. But nonetheless, we are here. Let's do this thing. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm anxiety. Oh my god.
All the niggas round me, right at it line. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right now. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty up a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now.
So, hi. Gotten back from quad biking. We chilled, I took a couple of selfies, someone took a nap. So now I'm just getting ready for dinner. We're gonna go have some Indian food. So someone spotted an Indian restaurant, so that's what we're going to do. yeah, we're just gonna go have the dinner at that restaurant. I'm not a fan of Indian food, so we'll see how that goes. I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, let me just go, and it's just a normal dinner, nothing fancy. So I'm not even gonna do my face or dress up or stuff like that. So we're just gonna go and eat and then come back. And forgive me guys, still don't know where to look, still not used to looking directly at the camera. But yeah, gonna go take a bath. Here they have this nice like jacuzzi bath thingy, so I'm gonna do that while he waits for me to get ready, and then we're going out. So like I said, I will not be doing my face. So this is me, crusty and shit, going out for dinner, and I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful view after the sunsets. Obviously went there by the beach, you know. Yay! And I don't understand, because there's people inside the beach, like full body, swimming inside. Guys, it's cold. It's minus whatever degrees. It's cold, like freezing cold. Like when I put my feet there, I could feel them freezing. Like it's like I couldn't walk for like a minute. It is cold, guys. I am bad. So the chap is gang. Alright. And then we decided to come back and chill by our spot, right? Bese wafika abantu bafika bablock iview yethu. Cela ukunibonisa. Blocked our view. Look at all the space around the beach. They could have sat there or there where those two are walking, or here, right here next to us, but actually in front of Pamwood. I'm not okay. Nothing happened. It was Susa. The umbrella yabo. I wish you could fly into the ocean and then they jump in trying to save it, only for them to freeze. But not to death, but like freeze because the water is freezing.
You make me so. All you gotta do is say
yeah, no, like some more. Yo guys, we have this rude waiter, like it's so rude. His name is Charles. I don't see him. I don't see him. Where did he go? Come on. So as you guys know, we're at the bungalow, whatever, and we're ordering food, right? So me, I ordered a platter for one. It doesn't show the price. A seafood platter for one. It doesn't show the price on the menu. It says SQ. So I just ordered. I didn't ask the waiter. Yeah, but hey. And then he comes back and is like, the seafood platter for one is 900 rand. 900 for a seafood platter for one. Let me show y'all. Comes with sea bass, baby squid, prawns, langoustine, something like that. Comes with crayfish and a side of my choice. I said seafood platter for one is 900. So how much is the seafood platter for two? 1,800. But yeah, so I had to order something different because I mean I have a budget for Cape Town, but this is not the budget that I have. Lebo. The service here is trash. Let me tell you, we just want the bill, and the waiter hasn't been here for the past 30 minutes or so. He's not even the one who took our plates. He's not even the one who cleared our table. Can you believe it? So right now, I'm just over it. We're both over it, and we just wanna go. We just wanna go. And I got feel like it's funny bill. I hope the bill includes the tip, because otherwise I'm not tipping anyone. Ooh, that's getting that dinner, sana. That's getting that dinner. That's getting that dinner. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but didiniwe. What time is it? We wanna go. Can you tell this guy that we want the bill? Hi. Can you please get Charles to give us the bill, please? Thank you.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
We're back home. There's the moonlight. Ooh, it's quite chilly. Yeah, but we're back. I haven't even put my bag down, but we're back home. I call it home because this is where we were for like 4 nights. I mean 3 nights. This is the 4th night. You know what I mean? Just gonna go take a shower and sleep because tomorrow we're leaving. Bye. Good night. Say good night, babe. Good night. I didn't hear that. Say good night. Scotilo, Charles. Yo, in the same race, no. I just want to go on Google. So we're leaving today. It's our last day here. And I just wanted to say Vav for the view for the last time. It's a nice day in Cape Town today. It's sunny with a nice breeze. So we're leaving today, Kesana. Siyahamba. And we are gonna go just now for a boat cruise. And then we leave because our flight is like later on. So we're doing the boat cruise and then we're going out of here back home. Here's a mini Shein haul. I'm wearing this dress from Shein. It's a bit see-through, so you need to wear something underneath. You see. It's a bit windy up here because we are by the mountains, so you need to have a dress. I mean the jacket. It is windy. Hello. Thank you, honey.
Sorry? Yes. But we'll be back. I spoke to Adidas to ring the bell and the next.
Hello. Good, how are you?
There's no signal.
No, it's okay.
That's fine.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
The green building.
Yeah, the green building, yes.
Okay. Behind it is where you find your boats, ne? So you walk straight up here. Turn left where there is a red umbrella. Walk straight, just walk straight all the way to be behind there, ne? When you are behind there is a yellow frame where people take photos to picture Table Mountain. On that big yellow frame on your right hand side there is a harbor like this, and then your boat is the Enigma.
Thank you.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Waiting to get on the boat. Starts at 11:30 and it's 8 minutes past 11 right now. So we're still going to chill here and look like awkward people.
it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I hit you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, we want me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me size. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time, so just be. If I was you, take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, you're doing this just for pleasure. Even learn me your own lesson. If you want me, you'll take me.
So we have arrived back in Johannesburg. We're currently at the airport. We're gonna go grab something to eat, and I think that's where I will end. That's where I'm gonna end this vlog. So yeah. See ya.